In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to your iCloud storage. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone new to the world of mobile games, knowing how to use iCloud storage effectively can save you a lot of hassle and help keep your game progress safe. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, which takes around 5 minutes. First off, you'll want to grab your device, your trusty iPhone or iPad, and head over to the Settings app. The app icon resembles a small grey gear and should be easily locatable on your home screen. Once you've entered the settings menu, the next thing you should do is tap on your Apple ID. You'll find this prominently displayed right at the top of the screen. It's the section where your name or profile picture appears. After tapping your Apple ID, proceed to the iCloud section. This area is your central command for managing everything iCloud related on your device. Now that you're in the iCloud menu, you'll see an option labelled Apps Using iCloud. Just below that, you'll notice a Show All button. Tap on this to reveal a comprehensive list of apps on your device that have the potential to integrate with iCloud. This includes both native Apple applications and any third-party apps that you've installed. Scroll through this list until you find the game you want to back up. Since this list might be extensive, if you have numerous apps, take your time to ensure you don't overlook the one you're looking for. Once you spot your game, you'll notice a toggle switch beside it. By switching this toggle on, you enable the game to be backed up into your iCloud storage. This is an important feature as it automatically keeps the data secure without any further intervention on your part. With the game now set up for iCloud backup, there might be times when you wish to ensure that your current game progress is immediately saved, especially before updating the app or performing a system update. To do this manually, head back into your settings, navigate again to iCloud and then select iCloud Backup. Once inside, you'll see the option Backup Now. Tap this option and give it a moment as your device syncs and saves all the latest data to the cloud. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient method to ensure your game progress and achievements are never lost, ready for access anytime, anywhere. So whether you're switching devices or just want peace of mind, iCloud storage has got you covered. Enjoy your gaming without worrying about losing valuable data. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more of our videos for other tech tips and solutions.